This is a ripple of water. And water became the letter M. Water was called something like mime. Following the letter M, we have the letter N. This snake became the letter N because snake was pronounced nahash. This I was simplified and became just a circle, and then became the letter O. To say I, we must say also this strange letter. This strange letter is pronounced ah. So I to the Canaanites is called Ain. The Canaanites created this one without the help of the Egyptians. This is a corner. It became the letter P. The word corner is pit. This one is an ancient form of a needle. And the needle became the letter Q. Needle was pronounced something like this. Notice that it's written with a Q and not a K. To the Canaanites, there is a big difference between a Q and a K. K was pronounced ko, and Q was pronounced ko. So ko. So this letter is called Koba. The hieroglyph of a head was simplified and became the letter R. This letter R is not the same letter used in English. R was pronounced Rosh. This bow also evolved. To the letter S. Bow was called Thun. Below the S you can see a little line, and that line indicates that this sound is pronounced on the teeth, so the sound is like thun. A mark became the letter T because it was pronounced Tau. And the last letter of all is the letter X, the only letter that has nothing to do with the Canaanites. The letter X was created by the Greeks.